Hey peeps, so today we have Cinnamon Toast Crunch iced coffee. That's what I said, Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Yeah, like the cereal. Yeah. So, woo! Well, it's not so bad. It's 180 calories per bottle, which is probably slightly less than what you're going to get out of a soda. I'm just curious. It got 5 grams of protein. Ooh, geez Louise. The total sugar is 30 grams, which includes 24 additional grams. But they have it as 48 total. 5 grams of protein, no D, no 10% of calcium, no iron. Wow. 220 grams of sodium. Wow. So you guys can look at that train wreck right there of calories. But it's not always about the calories. I know some of my subscribers told me, well, it tastes good. Doesn't matter about the calories. I talk about the nutritional value for those who are watching their weights and want to try to live a better life. So let's see what this. Oh, there we go. We popped it. Quick sniff test. It kind of smells like Cinnamon Toast Crunch in a liquid form, but it's, something. Actually, really, okay. If I had a blindfold on and I didn't know this was Cinnamon Toast Crunch, I may not would have guessed it. It smells sweet. It has that sweet smell to it. But it's really hard to tell what it is, to be honest. But let's see if it tastes like anything that it says it is. Cinnamon Toast Coffee. Let's see what it tastes like. Let's go ahead and pour that little bit of this in here. I'm not going to drink much because it's already late. Okay. Let's go ahead and taste test. Okay. I've never been a fan of cold coffee. So I think I really bought this just for giggles one day. It's a sweet something. You might think this is Cinnamon Toast Crunch, but it's kind of hard to tell. It's sweet, and it has almost that cinnamony taste to it. But to be honest, I'm not sure if I could personally tell you that this was actually Cinnamon Toast Crunch. It has a cinnamony kind of taste to it. If you gave me this and you said this was Golden Grams, I will probably not question it. That's another kind of cinnamony kind of cereal. Not sure if they still make it or not. It's not bad though. It's despite the high. So let me put the disclaimer in. If you are diabetic, don't even think about this. This is way outside your comfort zone, unless you like your blood sugar to spike to all get out. But I would not recommend. I'm just curious what the if there's any carbs in here. 34 grams of carbohydrates. 34 grams of carbohydrates. If you already trying to lose weight, and we all know the two biggest things that affect your weight and your blood sugar are carbohydrates and sugars. This have both the worst of both worlds. Carbs was 34. If you try to lose weight, 50 grams is the top. This is 34. This takes most of your whatever you go eat. You drink this, you might as well say bye-bye to the rest of the day. The sugar level will spike this sugar in here will spike your sugar level. No question about it. If I was them, I would have probably used Splenda or something where the sugar wouldn't have been as bad to make it more healthier. And I understand a lot of people, I don't want the Splenda. It doesn't taste right. I've been using Splenda for a long time. And the reason why I use Splenda is because it's donut. Let me re-emphasize that. It's donut, and what I mean by donut is there's no calories. And so the less calories you use, the better you have room for other things you can eat. And so using sugar in this way, yes, if you're 19 years old, 22 years old, you in your early 20s, late 20s, you might be able to get away with this. But as the clock's ticking, I would not recommend drinking this. This is a train wreck. It's not healthy, but taste-wise, it's okay. I'll give it a 7. I'm not giving it much more than that because I can't really tell what it is because the taste is so. And maybe it's because it's mixed with coffee where it doesn't taste the way. I don't know, but it does. It's not what I was expecting. So that is my review on the Cinnamon Toast iced coffee. Take it or leave it. Personally, me, I'll leave it. So this product is getting a thumbs down. As for health-wise, straight thumb down. As for taste quality, I'll give it a thumb up because it doesn't taste bad. It's just not healthy. So again, love you all. Cooking with Ron. I'll be back with you the next. I'll probably be back with you sooner than later. Always got something working. So until next time, you take care of yourself and your family. Enjoy the holidays.